Creating high-quality 3D prints doesn't have to cost a fortune. The best affordable 3D printer combines precision, reliability, and ease of use, making it perfect for hobbyists, students, and professionals looking to bring their designs to life on a budget. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ELEGOO 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D printer is a powerhouse designed to deliver both speed and precision, making it an excellent option for beginners and experienced makers alike. Right out of the box, it arrives fully assembled and pre-calibrated, so you can start printing immediately without the hassle of setup. Where this printer really shines is its advanced Core XY structure, which allows print speeds up to 500 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, ensuring you can complete large prints quickly without compromising detail. The Centauri Carbon is also built for versatility, featuring a high-temperature 320 degrees C brass-hardened steel nozzle and enclosed chamber with superior cooling, making it ideal for advanced materials like carbon fiber filaments. This capability lets you produce lightweight yet strong parts perfect for applications like drones or automotive projects. Its die-cast aluminum frame ensures stability, minimizing vibration, and features like bottomatic vibration compensation and pressure advance add to the consistent quality of prints. Overall, the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon is a top-tier 3D printer for anyone seeking reliability, speed, and professional-grade results in one compact, user-friendly package. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D printer is an innovative machine tailored for creators who value both speed and versatility. One of its most exciting features is multi-color printing capability, supporting up to 4 colors simultaneously, which brings your designs to life with vivid results. Built on a Core X structure, the AD5X achieves ultra-fast speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, with acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared, positioning it as a great choice for rapid prototyping and high-volume work. Its advanced design not only improves speed, but also enhances accuracy, ensuring sharp, professional results. The 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder supports a wide variety of materials, while the dual-channel cooling fans and vibration compensation system further refine print quality. For added flexibility, the AD5X comes with interchangeable nozzles in multiple sizes: 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm, allowing you to switch seamlessly between high-precision detail work and larger, faster projects. This versatility makes it suitable for hobbyists, professionals, and educators alike. Combining advanced technology, speed, and creative flexibility, the FLASHFORGE AD5X is a reliable 3D printer that helps turn even the most complex ideas into reality with. Number 3. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a reliable, well-balanced 3D printer that combines practicality, precision, and ease of use. With a build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, it offers plenty of room for everyday projects without overwhelming desktop space. Assembly is minimal since the main parts arrive pre-installed, allowing you to get started quickly with the included toolkit. This printer is powered by an STM32 motherboard paired with silent stepper motors, which ensures smooth and precise movement while keeping noise levels as low as 47 dB, perfect for home or office environments. The 36-point auto bed leveling system further enhances reliability, guaranteeing accurate first layers for every print. Safety and convenience features such as a filament runout sensor and power loss resume function protect your work during long prints. The nozzle system is thoughtfully upgraded with a titanium throat tube, brass nozzle, and wide aluminum heatsink for improved heat dissipation, reducing clog risks. Front-mounted cooling fans add another layer of performance for smoother outputs. In short, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro provides an ideal blend of efficiency, quality, and user-friendly features for hobbyists and serious makers alike. Number 4. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D printer is built to cater to both newcomers and experienced professionals, offering a blend of innovation and user-friendly design. Its standout feature is the fully automatic one-click leveling system, which precisely adjusts the nozzle-to-bed distance for a flawless first layer every time. This eliminates the guesswork and frustration of manual leveling, allowing you to focus on bringing your ideas to life. Built with a Core XY all-metal motion structure, the AD5M provides stable, smooth, and quiet performance, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters, and enabling tool-free swaps in just 3 seconds. This convenience allows you to adapt quickly between detail-oriented tasks and larger, faster jobs, while simplifying maintenance. Beyond its hardware, the AD5M shines in connectivity and workflow integration. With the Orca FlashForge slicer, you can transmit batch files in one click and monitor multiple printers over a network. The FlashMaker app further enhances usability, offering real-time monitoring, remote control, and parameter adjustments from your phone. Together, these features make the AD5M not just a 3D printer, but a comprehensive creative solution that maximizes efficiency, precision, and ease of use for all types of projects. Number 5. Entina 3D Printer. The Entina 2 Mini 3D Printer is a compact, beginner-friendly machine designed for kids, hobbyists, and anyone looking for a simple introduction to 3D printing. With a compact footprint of 8.3 by 8.3 by 11.4 inches and a lightweight 3-kilogram design, it fits perfectly on desktops in homes, classrooms, or small offices. Despite its small size, it offers a respectable build volume of 100 by 105 by 100 millimeters, making it suitable for small crafts and educational projects. The Entina 2 features a 2.4-inch LCD screen and works seamlessly with WeBuilder Slicer software, supporting offline printing through a micro SD card. Practical functions like power loss resume ensure you don't lose progress if interrupted, while the auto-leveling system makes bed calibration effortless. The flexible magnetic build plate simplifies model removal, avoiding damage to delicate prints. With its dual Z-axis rails, this printer ensures better stability and higher precision compared to other mini models, resulting in smoother, more detailed results. Ideal for beginners and children, the Entina 2 combines safety, ease of use, and reliable performance, making it an excellent entry-level option for exploring the world of 3D printing. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.